Army, Gucci, Dior, Chanel. Well, I heard that many of the raw materials of these international brands are produced here in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province. I want to get a tailor-made outfit for myself. Let's start by checking out the raw materials, yarn. And guess what? I found the finest pure cotton yarn in the world. Can you guys see it? It's like just about 1/3 the thickness of a strand of my hair. Oops, it's very easy to break. This is called 300 thread count cotton. What does this mean? It means that 1 gram of cotton can be spun into a length of 500 meters. Well, here comes my question. For such fine yarns, how can they achieve mass production? Let's go visit their intelligent factory to find out more. I can barely see workers here. Let me find out how many workers they have. In an area that covers about 10,000 spindles, there are only 10 workers. I found Qiu Li, who's in charge of this factory. She said now intelligent machines have handled most of the operations.
In the past, we couldn't detect some imperfections in the yarn with just our naked eyes. But now, with the intervention of artificial intelligence technology, high-speed cameras can monitor the entire yarn. If its quality doesn't reach our standard, it will be automatically removed.
For such fine yarn, it is very easy to break. And once it breaks, it needs to be reconnected. So the number of joints is also an indicator of its product quality. Now if the yarn breaks, the red light alarm turns on and the winding machine can rejoin it automatically. Such intelligent production has increased the factory's efficiency by 15%, cut its costs by 11%, and reduced labor intensity by 30%.
Well, being here for about half an hour, I'm already sweating profusely because the spinning workshop requires a constant temperature of about 33 degrees Celsius. And also the noise from the machines makes it challenging for many workers to adapt. So is it possible to solve this issue?
This robot may be the answer.
We recently invented a robotic technology currently in trial operation. These robots can replace workers for patrol and operations. While we can't show the detailed process yet, this technology could usher in a new era for unmanned dark factories. The workers who are replaced can be trained to manage the equipment.
Once put into operation, a manned dark factory could become a reality. Ta-da! So this is the shirt made from these yarns. It's very soft and silky, like a baby's touch. After checking out the raw material, I'm now at a garment factory to design my suit. Let's measure my body size first. Here, we can handle it all with this machine through laser scanning. After just about 10 seconds, I can have all the basic information of my body size. And with these data, I'm now ready to get my suit.
Once your measurements are collected, it generates a personalized template in our database through 5G network.
And here comes the next step. The design picture shown on the laptop can quickly be projected right here.
Our suit set includes at least 300 pieces of fabric. With a high-speed computation of 5G, our cutting solution uses the most efficient and precise utilization of fabric.
Their calculation can maximize the use of these fabrics. For example, you see how close these two pieces of fabric are. Next step, piecing fabrics. Look at these flying fabrics. Here comes the production area, and I found there are so many different types and pieces of fabrics being displayed here. Well, how can I quickly piece different types of fabrics together for a piece of clothing?
Our systems can quickly match pieces, like the front and back of sleeves together, based on customers' body size data. If making a tailor-made suit, from measurements to finished product, it takes just 7 working days. Previously, relying on manual searching would take around 20 days.
Next step, transporting these fabrics to workers.
This 5G automated robot can transport all necessary materials to designated destinations. Each robot can replace the work of 6 laborers. The laborers are retrained to undertake more important and complex tasks.
Relying on these intelligent production systems, Hongdou has achieved an over 30% increase in production efficiency. This is my freshly made suit. It fits pretty well, right? From designing to making, the whole intelligent production process shows me what innovation-driven new quality productive forces means for Wuxi's garment industry.